Hello, I'm Al. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe for more DJI Neo stuff coming soon. I bought the DJI Neo just a couple of days ago, so I've had a few days to unbox it and try a few things out. Now, because I didn't buy the controller, that means at the moment I cannot access the camera settings. You can't access the camera settings through the DJI Fly app, unfortunately, which means you just have to go with the default settings, which is a shame. But here they are. This is the footage. This is how the drone reacted to me running away from it as fast as I could, which, frankly, is not very fast. But here it is. Enjoy.